up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Thank you for being here. So you're probably wondering what the heck is going on at the beginning of this video. To sum it all up, I can no longer fit any of my jean shorts, and so I decided, instead of going to this mall and buying $20, $30, $40 pairs of jeans, I'm just going to go to the thrift store, find $3, $4, $5 pairs of jeans and turn them into shorts. So I went to Goodwill and I found 2 pairs of jeans, but then I looked up at the price, didn't realize that their jeans were $8. At the point, I'm like, okay, I came to the thrift store so I wouldn't have to pay, you know, $8, $10+ for some shorts or jeans. So put those back, and I went to Value Village and I found 2 pairs of shorts. I came out with a better win, actually. I found 2 pairs of jeans, mom high-waisted jeans, which is exactly what I was looking for, and they were only $4 and some change. Perfect. So Value Village came in a clutch. Goodwill, probably won't be going there for jeans. But yeah, so I found those, and I'm just going to cut them, distress them to how I want them to look, which is pretty easy. I learned how to distress jeans my freshman year of college. I was always at the thrift store buying jeans, dresses, shirts, skirts, turn them into whatever I could imagine. And so last week I decided to get like a super tight pair of jeans that are in my closet and just practice and make sure I still got it. It came out pretty cool. I went on Fashion Nova and got my inspiration on how I want to distress them from there, which is cool. You can go on any website you want to, any social media, you know, just whatever you see that you like, try your best to recreate it. Yeah, I just went on YouTube back then and learned how to distress jeans, bleach them, cut them up, whatever you need to do to them. So here's the jeans that I did last week. Like I said, I went on Fashion Nova and got some inspiration from there. Of course, they look a little better like on me, but I just put like 2 holes over here. The bottom actually ended up being a hole after I washed them. And then I distressed this side, and then the pocket, and then the back side. So these are more like Bermuda shorts. I don't even know if people still call them Bermuda shorts, but that's what we used to call them back in the day. So these are Bermuda shorts, or right above your knee length short. So I did those, and then these are a pair of the jeans that I got from Value Village. So again, they're high-waisted mom jeans, and they're actually really heavy duty and great quality. They're actually Lee brand, so they're actually really, really good. I actually love them. Don't think I'm actually going to turn these into shorts because they're great, and the high-waisted mom jeans that I do have I can no longer fit, so I think I'm going to keep these as jeans, and I'm not going to even distress them. I'm just going to leave them basic because I literally love these. But so I'm going to turn the darker color ones that I got into shorts. I'm not going to do the Bermuda. I'm going to do like regular shorter shorts. And I'm just going to go online and try to figure out how I want to distress them, what designs I want to do or whatever, and go from there. Like I said, again, it's pretty simple. All you need is scissors and a box cutter, or like scissors and a steak knife. When I first started doing it years ago in my dorm room, I didn't even have a steak knife. I had scissors and a butter knife. So imagine what I was going through with that butter knife. But I had really good patience back then. So you have to have patience to do stuff like this. It doesn't take that long unless you're trying to go to like the extreme with the distressing and stuff. But other than that, just scissors and a sharp object basically that can cut, other than your scissors. Just go on YouTube and figure out how to do it. I hope my tutorial teaches you some tips and tricks, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Even if you already know how to do it, I hope you know what I'm telling you is helpful. I hope what you see is helpful. Thank you for watching thus far. Thank you for your support thus far, and I really hope you enjoy this video. Let's get right into it.